Hello everybody. A long time ago I purchased this screwdriver to help with proprietary screws under my IBM Model M. These screws are terrible. And the only screwdriver that's able to undo them is this one. I had to purchase it separately, and the huge problem with this screwdriver is the fact that it smells. It stinks. It smells like vomit. I'm not kidding. So this screwdriver, it's made by XC Light, as far as I remember, and it's made out of some sort of weird plastic. I think it's called PAB. Such plastic eventually starts emitting butyric acid as a result of exposure to heat and moisture. Well, when I got it, it was already pretty smelly, and I guess that's why the seller had to sell it. They, of course, did not mention it in the description below. I should have known, though. This is the first time I'm dealing with this kind of screwdriver made out of PAB. And well, even though I came up with this crafty solution, I should say, I just taped it up, and it still does emit the smell from the bottom as well as from the top side here. Most of the smell is being blocked by the tape. And so today I'll try to find a solution, the permanent solution to the smelly screwdriver problem. Or I should say stinky, because this shit stinks. To begin, I think we should unwrap the stink container, and oh boy, I have not smelled this in a while, man. Man. It's gonna be horrible. Oh god. I can smell it from here already. Okay. Oh, the tape smells too. Here is the brand XCE Light, made in the US. Thank you, US, for using the plastic that's absolutely unusable. There it is. Gonna throw this out. Next, we gotta clean the screwdriver up because it's pretty sticky after the tape. Let's do that. Especially the part where it connects with the handle. That's where it's the most sticky. Besides, I'm also getting rid of the smell while I'm cleaning it up with the tape residue. Alright, let's clean up the bottom as well. Yes, this looks pretty good. Next, gotta turn on the kettle. The reason for that is we need some boiling water to dissolve the baking soda. And hopefully that solution is gonna help, I guess, remove the butyric acid from the screwdriver. Now the recipe is simple. It's a generic yellow container I got from somewhere. Now I got the screwdriver, gotta gently place it in. Then some baking soda right here. Sprinkle it on top. I guess you can cover the entire screwdriver with it, at least try to. That might be excessive, but you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Right. This looks pretty good to me. Then the boiling water. Carefully. Right, so the reaction has begun. If only I had something to steer with. I guess the last resort, I have a glue stick. Let's give it a shot. Dude, if only I knew I had to mix this up. I really forgot about it. Oh no, the glue is dissolving. Oh my god, dude. Crap. I did not think this through at all. Oh lord. Oh my god. We're adding glue to the mix. It's gonna last a bit. Gotta mix the soda in. Make the nice solution. Oh my god. Oh no. Whatever, this is going into trash, don't worry about it. Well, it lasted enough so that I could mix the things up. But maybe I'm gonna make the solution a little bit stronger. Just for the sake of it, you know. I can see the screwdriver bubbling up. Can you see that? I think it's working. This actually might work. Oh, and the fumes are also kind of vomit inducing. Oh, hell yes. Looks like it's working. So I'm gonna keep the catalyst in form of a baking soda near, so that when it stops bubbling, I can add more again. I can use the entire container here. Soda doesn't cost a lot. Well, whatever it takes to get the screwdriver, get the smell out of the screwdriver. It's just terrible, unusable. And well, the next step is to leave it for 24 hours. Leave it submerged in the solution we've just made. But I don't know if I can afford this much time. And the boiling water will become cold after like an hour. So is there any reason to keep this submerged for more than an hour? We'll see. I guess I'm gonna leave it for an hour and we'll see how it turned out. Well, an hour has passed and it's time to check in. Kind of, well, whatever, let's try it. So, how does it smell? It smells slightly better so far. It actually smells, it doesn't smell bad at all. Maybe it's going to come back though. Wait, did it come back already? Oh yeah, I think it came back. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah, that didn't do nothing. Yeah. It still smells as bad. Though, at the beginning, it smelled kind of sweet. It smelled like candy, kind of. I guess the sweet smell was from sodium butyrate. It was generated with the help of heat. Yeah. When I pick it up. Oh my god. So it still does smell like candy. When I dip it in and I take it out, it does smell like candy. It does smell pretty good. So I guess the product of the reaction, that's sodium butyrate, and it smells good. But then, once you take it out of the solution, it starts converting back. It starts converting back into the butyrate acid. It starts emitting it again, and there's nothing to fight it, I guess. So that did not help at all. My next idea is to use sodium hydroxide, but I think that's kind of unsafe. Hey, welcome back to my porch. So, since I didn't want to use the sodium hydroxide, since it's the most basic chemical ever, and you can most likely like get a huge burn if you touch a solution with that, I just decided to get rid of the handle altogether. So let's just do that. I think it's the safest option and the most effective one. Oh well, let's just begin. It's gonna take quite some time. All right. It's some crazy material, honestly. I think I bent it, but it's still fine. I don't really care about it. The only thing I care about is this area. I think the impact was strong enough that it not only bent, but it kind of warped from the inside, which is pretty good. Let's keep it going. God damn, dude, it's hot. I'm gonna give a bigger one a shot. I have a larger one here. Let's give this one a shot. Oh, it's just perfect for this radius, I think. I split it in half. And it's still holding. Oh, crap, dude. This material is just... It's exceptional. I don't have any other words. It's really, really good, but it's really, really smelly. Fortunately, the smell takes over, and I have to get rid of it. Oh, I chopped it off. Let's go. The bottom part is out, I think. There you go. Maybe I should have started with that. Though I'm not exactly sure how that helps me. It's still stuck. Still stuck inside. Well, I think I'm gonna try to hit it horizontally now. As long as I don't ruin the screwdriver itself, it's gonna be good. I just need to get rid of the handle. I think I'm gonna try to hit it like this. It's gonna be good. Oh. I chopped it nice. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay, it's chopped through. Now let's try the other side. Oh dude, the insects, goddamn. Okay, separated. Dude, the insects, get out of here. Alright, that's what I've been waiting for. And it's still holding to this. It's like glued. It's like an epoxy, honestly. Okay. I have to be careful. This screwdriver port. Oh, it's gone. Nice. Nice. So here are the 3 parts that I successfully chopped off. Here's the final area I have to consider. Then I'll probably straighten it out. It's not a big issue. Oh wait. Ah, dude, if only I could slide it off. Doesn't really work with nut drivers. Okay, let's finish it off. Another bit, another chunk. All right, it's close to being done. All I care about. All right, I think another chunk. Oh wait, I'm hitting it near the screwdriver port. It's not good. Back to the beginning. Oh. All right. Just over. Careful. Careful. Is it good? Goddamn, dude, it still smells from here. Holy moly, dude. Honestly, that's disgusting. Let me try a different approach. Okay, I did cut it through to the base of the to the shaft, but it's still not budging. gonna come off. Wanna come off? Ah, you do. There you go. Now that's it. Finally got rid of this smelly, stinky handle. The final thing I want to do is to straighten it back up. I don't have a vise, unfortunately. Gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Now here's the deal, my camera overheated, but I finished it off, and look at this crap, it's still stinking. It has a weird atmosphere around it. I just don't want to come near it, but I had to collect it to show it for the video. It's just feels like an epoxy, but the bad kind of epoxy that stinks really bad. So yeah, get this out of here. And here's the final result. I think I'm gonna wash it a little bit because the base still stinks. The base has some residue of this epoxy. I hate the flies. Yeah, and it's hollow, as you can see, and I kind of damaged it a little bit, just a tiny bit, and a little bit of scars here and there, but it still gets the job done, hopefully. So I'm going to clean this up. I'm gonna take this garbage out, never smell it again, and I'm probably gonna make a handle, maybe a wooden handle for this guy. So yeah. Yeah, it smells like iron after I touch it. Okay. Yeah, we're good now. Beautiful. Now the only fair question is, does it get the job done? Still, let's find out. I have a Model M. We have that Stinky screw right here. Hell yes, it does. So now I just have to manufacture a handle for it that is not going to stink. Oh, look what I've just found. So you have a pistol with some headings, different headings. There's a display there. I'm just saying. Look, there's a display there. I gotta be careful. Ugh. Ugh, there we go. There are multiple headings, and this is just one of them. Just put it back in. Whatever. I don't really care. So look at this. It just so happened that I squished the circle, and I squished it enough so that I can insert it as a sort of a heading. You just have to find the position where it doesn't fall out. Oh, there you go. So now this is a perfectly fine tool to work with. I mean, I don't even need the handle, dude. Just insert it and just do it using my pistol. It's not handy when I have a camera rolling, but I guess you get the idea. Just do that. The screws out. You can also screw it back on this way. It's just really annoying to do a hole in one with a screw. See, just It's not getting in the hole. Just a real nuisance. Oh, it's in. Good. So, once you get the screw in, get your pistol with the Model M kind of screw heading. Just go ahead. Screw it in. Pretty tight. And yeah, just take it out. Simple as that. That was pretty unexpected, but that's welcome. So yeah, this is a really nice addition. So it's so good in there. It's really tight. It's like meant for this pistol. Not even kidding. You just have to find the way to insert it. Just what a nice coincidence, dude. Yeah. All in all, I think it was a fairly successful project. Even though I didn't manage to save the handle, I think it's only fair that I get rid of it because it smells like vomit. It makes me gag personally. It's terrible. And well, I don't really have a chemical fix for it, so I just resorted to a mechanical fix instead. And it still gets the job done. It's now heading to my pistol, to my to my pistol-like screwdriver, and that is the conclusion. And the moral of the story: you shouldn't buy the XC light screwdrivers unless you own a Model M. I don't think you have any choice if you actually do. Well, yeah, there you go. Even though it looks kind of sad, it's it's really good. I'm just gonna store it as a heading. Thank you for watching. Take care.